The coolest types of Birds-Flamingo. Born gray but destined for pink, flamingos get their iconic color from carotenoid pigments in the algae and crustaceans they filter feed upon. These social birds live in massive colonies that can number in the millions, creating spectacular pink horizons across salt flats and lagoons. Their backward-bending knees are actually ankles. Flamingos stand on their toes. The classic one-legged stance isn't just for show. It's an energy conservation technique that reduces muscle fatigue and helps maintain body heat in cold water.